Network classes, also known as IP address classes, were used to categorize IP addresses into different classes based on the range of numbers in the first octet of the address. The concept of network classes was introduced as a part of the original Internet addressing scheme, which is now largely obsolete due to the adoption of Classless Inter-Domain Routing (CIDR). There were 5 network classes: A, B, C, D, and E. Here's a brief overview of the 5 network classes. 1. Class A, 1.0.0.0 to 126.0.0.0. Class A addresses have a leading bit of 0 in the first octet. These addresses were designed for large networks. The first octet defines the network, while the remaining 3 octets can be used for host addresses. Class A addresses could accommodate up to 16 million hosts. 2. Class B, 128.0.0.0 to 191.255.0.0. Class B addresses have a leading bit of 10 in the first octet. These addresses were used for medium-sized networks. The first 2 octets define the network, while the remaining 2 octets are for host addresses. Class B addresses could accommodate up to 65,000 hosts. 3. Class C, 192.0.0.0 to 223.255.255.0. Class C addresses have a leading bit of 110 in the first octet. These addresses were meant for small networks. The first 3 octets are used for the network, and the last octet is for host addresses. Class C addresses could accommodate up to 254 hosts. 4. Class D, 224.0.0.0 to 239.255.255.255. Class D addresses are reserved for multicast groups and are not typically used for regular host addressing. 5. Class E, 240.0.0.0 to 255.255.255.255. Class E addresses are also reserved for special purposes and are not commonly used for regular network addressing. It's important to note that while the network class system was once the primary method for IP address allocation, it had limitations and was eventually replaced by CIDR. CIDR allows for more flexible allocation of IP address ranges, making better use of available address space. In modern networking, IP addresses are not strictly bound by network classes, and subnet masks are used to define the network portion and host portion of an IP address. This provides greater flexibility and efficiency in IP address allocation. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.